Welcome to the first video walkthrough for Eyozi. Thank you for taking the time to help beta test this platform. I'm so excited to show you around. Feel free to pause this video as many times as you need, and remember you have the ability to speed this video up in settings. While I plan to design an app version of Eyozi, at the moment it is a web-based application, so we need to open a browser and go up to the address bar, type eyozi.app, and that is going to bring us to the landing page. Let's first click Get Started. We'll enter our email address, then a fresh password, and after we hit Continue, it's going to have us prove that we are human. And once we have proved that we are human, you'll have a verification code sent to your email. Go ahead and check your email and enter the verification code here. Okay, we're making progress. Back on the landing page, we want to click on Complete Setup, and now we are in our legal agreement section. Feel free to actually read these, or pretend that you've read these and check each box, and then click Continue. Now we can enter our first and last name and our location. Make sure to select your location from the drop-down menu. That way it sets your time zone automatically. Then click Complete Setup, and we're in. Welcome to Eyozi and the standard user version of your dashboard. At first, the features are pretty limited. We can only access one of the 3 pages, as community and messaging are power plan features and require a paid subscription. And then there is the mood login area, and we have our mood trend graph right below it. Then on the right-hand side, you have a couple of features that are also locked to standard users. We'll unlock those very shortly. First, we want to briefly explore the user settings. Let's navigate to the user settings page, which is located in the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner. First thing, in profile information, we want to verify that our first and last name appear correctly, our location is correct, and our time zone is correct. If something did not store correctly, there's a beta feedback link at the top right of the main menu. Please use this link to report anything at any time that is not working properly, if something seems weird, if you don't like something, or if you have a suggestion. Since we are thorough beta testers, we want to head down to our emergency contact section, and we're going to set up a contact that we trust, and hopefully this person is also a beta tester and can simultaneously complete this step with you as their emergency contact. You'll want to enter their name and email, then click Send Invitation. Before the invite is sent, you'll see a relationship prompt that is meant to be a small deterrent towards abuse. Simply type anything here and then proceed. Here is an example of the email your emergency contact will receive. When they click on Learn More, they will have a new pop-out window that explains a little bit about what the emergency contact role includes. Now, by default, they will receive all emergency notifications via email. However, some people do not check their email regularly, or don't have alert notifications set up for their email, so there is an option for them to enter their phone number to receive text notifications instead. However, a cell phone is not required. The main user ultimately controls notification settings for the emergency contact. Once they've accepted their role, you will see the emergency contact status change in your user settings, and you now have your emergency contact confirmed and properly set up to fully utilize all the safety features Eyozi offers. For now, let's head back to the dashboard and take a second look at the features available. Since this is the standard user experience, your logging is limited to 1 mood entry per day that uses a 1 to 10 scale. Below the mood entry section is your mood trend graph that will update and show up to a 90-day history of your mood trends. You can see there are more variables that can be logged, but they are ghosted out just like the Community and Messages page in the main menu. These are all power plan features and require a paid subscription. While you are welcome to hang out in the standard experience and log a mood each day, the real fun happens with the power plan features. So let's find an upgrade button and power up. During this public beta, I am offering a lifetime membership to Eyozi for a small one-time purchase. I'd like to take a brief moment to explain the 3 main reasons I need to do this, even for beta testers. The Power Plan features are designed only for adults. Eyozi facilitates real-world meetups and cannot allow minors access to such a service. Age verification seamlessly takes place during the payment process, denying Power Plan access to anyone who is not 18. I refuse to engage with data brokers and advertisers. Have you ever heard the phrase, if you don't pay for a product, then you are the product? You see, for all free services, you're actually paying by allowing access to your data and behavior statistics. Now, in order to maintain a private and secured network of users, Eyozi will not collect usage data with the intent to sell it to third parties. Eyozi will not engage with advertisers to push agendas. This means the Eyozi platform must cover costs through user subscriptions. My hope is that by charging for a subscription, the user base will be more dedicated to the platform's mission. So pause the video, go ahead and click on Upgrade, and as soon as you've finished that process, we'll pick right back up. Congratulations! You have transformed your boring standard dashboard and now have access to the Power Plan dashboard. All features unlocked, all systems go. You've just upgraded mood logging and can log 3 moods a day on a 1 to 100 scale and have the ability to also log your stress level, energy level, and sleep quality. You also can set custom reminders and have access to the Eyozi community. Are we going to explore all of this? Absolutely. Will it be in this video? No. This was just the boring video about getting everything set up, and congratulations, you've made it through. Now we get to go have some fun. Let's go to the next video where we'll be checking out mood entries, custom reminders, and then we'll get into community features and how to set up in-person meetups. Let's go!